Docker is a platform designed to simplify the process of creating, deploying, and managing applications using containers. Containers are lightweight, standalone, and executable packages contain everything needed to run an application, including code, runtime, libraries, and dependencies. Here's a breakdown of some key components and concepts within Docker. 1. Docker. Engine ***. The core component of Docker, responsible for running and managing containers on a host system. It consists of a daemon process called Dockered, a REST API for interacting with the daemon, and a command line interface CLI tool called Docker. 2. Container. A container is a standardized unit of software that packages up code and all its dependencies so the application runs quickly and reliably across different computing environments. Containers isolate software from its surroundings, ensuring that it will run consistently regardless of the environment it is deployed in. 3. Image. An image is a read-only template used to create containers. It includes the application code, runtime, libraries, dependencies, and other files needed to run the application. Images are built using a Docker file, which specifies the instructions for creating the image layer by layer. 4. Docker file ***, a text file that contains a set of instructions for building a Docker image. These instructions include commands such as copying files, installing dependencies, and setting environment variables. Docker files allow developers to define the environment and dependencies required for their application in a reproducible and automated way. 5. Registry. A registry is a storage and distribution system for Docker images. The Docker Hub is the default public registry provided by Docker, where users can find and share images. Organizations can also set up private registries to store and manage their own images securely. 6. Containerization. Containerization is the process of encapsulating an application and its dependencies into a container. This allows the application to be run consistently across different environments, from development to production, without worrying about differences in underlying infrastructure. Overall, Docker simplifies the process of building, shipping, and running applications by providing a consistent and lightweight environment through the use of containers. It has become a popular choice for developers and DevOps teams looking to improve the portability, scalability, and efficiency of their applications.